Hey guys, I have the September Boxycharm and Boxy Luxe for you guys. This is sent for review purpose. I do have an affiliate link with them. I usually do a try on for you guys, and if you guys still want one, I will record one as soon as I can, but I really wanted to get this video out there for you guys, and these just landed on my doorstep and I already had my makeup done, so I'm sorry, but we are going to swatch, touch everything, go through all the goodies in here. I'll try on what I can, but let's go ahead and jump in. I'm so excited. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the base box. I will have timestamps down below. If you're new here, subscribe. And I do have social media if you wanna follow me over there. Okay. I need to pipe it down. My caffeine's kicking in. Okay, so Boxycharm this month, the base box is Strut Your Runway. And this is version number 14. Okay, first thing in here is Wander Beauty On The Glow Blush and Illuminator. I absolutely love Wander Beauty's stuff. And this is in the shade Bear. I just know I am going to love this. And this is a cream product from what I have seen from Wander Beauty. Where are my scissors? Okay, finally got that open. And this is what it looks like. One side is a blush and the other side is a luminizer. Ooh, she is pretty. This is like a beautiful everyday like rose color. You know what? Let's go ahead and apply some on here. From what I've seen, these are just super creamy, blend in like a dream. This is a very beautiful everyday color. I am excited. And then this is Bear, which is the blush that I just applied. And then this is Nude Glow. And I don't have any highlighter, so let's go ahead and blend this in. Wow, this blends. This is like super creamy. This blends in like a dream. Let's just apply some to the tip of the nose too. Okay. Yeah, that one's like a really more subtle color, but very, very beautiful. Look at that duo. Ooh, she can get pigmented. Ooh. So you can apply more and get more of that stunning highlight. I just did a little slight tapping. Excited to finally have one of these to try because I've seen people apply it and I'm just like, ooh, that is super just gorgeous on the skin. And yeah, so this is the Wander Beauty On The Glow and this is worth $38. The next product in here that I see is Vintage by Jessica Liebeskind. This is a sparkling lip gloss and on here this is worth $25. It says it's a glittery glow sheer reflective formula. And let's see what shade I got. This is called Pink Sequin. And it's just a very pink, very light, shimmery lip gloss. Just perfect for every day or just like a light shimmer on top of the lids. You know what? We're just going to apply some on and see. Yeah, it's very, very nude. You know, like very, not nude, but like transparent where it doesn't give off a lot of color. But very shimmery, very pretty. I don't know if you guys can tell on the lips. Very, very sparkly. I'm looking in the mirror. But very nice as well. So 2 for 2. Next thing in here is by one of my favorite brands, Ciate London. This is their Bamboo Bronzer. And this is in... Does this have a shade or is it just Bamboo Bronzer? So this is in South Beach. The name is like really tiny on here by Ciate London. I adore their packaging. They always have that cute little bow. Oh my God, look how cute. Okay, focus. Look at those little stars on there. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I actually, when I did my makeup today, I actually have one of their blushes on my cheeks, which is one of their illuminating blushes, which I love. Let's go ahead and pop some of this on because I'm just feeling frisky today. This is like a very nice, warm, like bronzy shade. We're just going to contour a little bit with it. This is not my ideal shade to contour with. I like more something that's grayish undertone, but I don't mind warming up my face a little bit with this. Oh, God. Come on, Melissa. Get it together. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and swatch this for you guys, and hopefully you guys will see how beautiful this is. It's kind of like that warmth bronzer, not so much for contouring, but just for warming up the face, and that's the swatch right there. I tried to do the swatch there, but it sucked. So that is it right here. Very, very beautiful. I love it. And it has like even gold sparkles in there to kind of give like that dewiness, like that glow from within, that J-Lo glow. I don't know why we always reference J-Lo, but another win for this, and this is worth $25. I absolutely love Ciate London, so whew, 3 for 3. Next product in here is the Ace Beauté Violet Sage palette. I absolutely really love their palettes. These are $32. Their formula is absolutely amazing. This is what it looks like. Look how gorgeous. Love the purple flowers on there, and ooh, same thing here. Let's go ahead and open her up. Oh, this color story is gorgeous. I love the greens, the purples, all the pinks, and the burgundy in the middle. These two pinks down here, one's actually a matte and one's a shimmer. You have 3 shimmers and the rest are mattes. Oh, look how gorgeous this color story is. I really love it. If you love pinks and purples, this is really for you. I really, really, really enjoy this. Their mattes are so nice, and their shimmers are super hellified pigmented. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, really, really love. And it also has a nice little mirror in here, so 4 for 4, and I'm not talking about Wendy's. But that palette is $32. And then the last thing in here is the Basic Beauty Gel Lip Liner Duo. This is $24. I think I've already tried these. If they're the same colors of something that I have, yeah, I actually already own these. This is in Cocoa and Latte, and I will be gifting this forward. Let me go ahead and find mine. I found mine because I don't want to damage those, but this is Latte, and these are perfect for fall time. Latte is like a warmer brown, and then Cocoa is like a deep dark brown, and that's what they look like right there. These are super creamy pigmented. You could even fill in your whole lip with these. Really, really nice. Whoa, where are you going? Really, really nice quality, so yay. Just to cut up these videos, I am going to separate them out. So this is the total value for the Boxycharm base box. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing, and my social media is down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.